Probably not 3 times.
Well, we got seeing all harmless at all. I think they're kind of wave breakers on.
I might as well go run around that kiddie water park now.
Did you say you want to go to Aquatica?
Yeah.
It really is unfortunate they don't have this time so that you're going under it like it goes over so that you get hit with the water.
Yeah. You just keep thinking of ways to make this better and better, Diane.
Well, it says geyser, but there's no geyser. You know, you want a geyser.
Go file a complaint at City Hall. There were no geysers on the geyser ride.
On the other hand, you mentioned the trim again. Imagine if that trim wasn't there, how big the splash would be.
Okay, so the splash would be bigger, but you're going faster, so you're not actually as wet. The water doesn't have a chance to land on you.
Look, it's a Flume. I don't miss it wet.
Well, then I hope you're...
Man, this is banging soundtrack.
Better music than Tiana's.
Hey, Tiana's is a great ride. That was actually dry.
There is now water in my shoes.
How's water getting your shoes?
It's seeking out the only dry parts left. It's like something like a search and destroy mission.
Well, don't worry, we're going down the big drop. Nothing bad will happen.
I know.
That's fun.
How about I just pour a bucket of water on you and make it more efficient?
Did that actually get you wet?
Yeah.
That splash was dry in there.
Okay, you're riding on the right side of the boat now. I don't think we're getting this evenly here. Not quite a 50-50 split.
Well, the first 2 rides I think I did just as well as you. There should not be a difference in the right and left of the splashdown.
I'm thinking the boat is not exactly balanced laterally. I'm digging into the water more.
Look, just because I had to bounce the boat that specifically doesn't mean anything.
They only care about front to back, not side to side.
No, they did. They told the family ahead of us that the parents had to be on opposite sides of each other.
No, I mean, like this. Like, I'm digging into the water more. I'm going to move. I'm going to displace more water. I am going to get splashed more.